Dream big, earn bigger. This simple idea fuels countless ambitions across the globe. Many people are searching for the next big opportunity, that one breakthrough that could reshape their financial future for the better. They scroll through articles, watch videos, listen to podcasts, all in the hope of finding a path to greater prosperity. In this vast digital landscape of ideas, one name keeps appearing with increasing frequency: Pi Network. It presents itself as a new kind of digital currency, one that you can supposedly earn just by using your smartphone. Millions of people have already joined this movement, calling themselves pioneers, and are quietly accumulating Pi coins every single day, hoping they are on the ground floor of something revolutionary. This essay is designed to be your comprehensive guide to the world of Pi Network, explained in the simplest terms possible. We will break down what this project is all about, avoiding complex jargon and focusing on what you actually need to know. So, what exactly is Pi Network? In the simplest terms, think of Pi as a new form of digital money, much like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but with a fundamentally different starting point. It is a cryptocurrency, which means it exists only in digital form and is secured by cryptography, unlike predecessors often criticized for being energy-intensive and controlled by large miners. Pi aims to be the people's currency. The entire system is built around the idea that anyone with a smartphone should be able to participate in the digital economy without needing expensive hardware, without needing specialized knowledge, or a massive electricity bill. It's a project trying to correct what some see as the early mistakes of the crypto world. The process of acquiring Pi is called mining, but it's not mining in the traditional sense. When you hear about Bitcoin mining, you might picture warehouses full of loud, hot computers solving complex mathematical problems. Pi's approach is completely different. You mine Pi by proving you are a real, engaged human being. This is accomplished through a simple daily action: opening the Pi app and tapping a single button. This action confirms your presence and contribution to the network's security and trust graph. Getting started with mining Pi today is remarkably simple, intentionally designed to be accessible to everyone. The entire process takes just a few minutes. First step, download the official Pi Network app from the Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. Make sure it's the legitimate app. Unofficial versions can be risky. Once installed, you'll be guided through a straightforward sign-up. Create your account with your phone number or with your Facebook profile. Next, enter a referral code. You cannot join without one. This helps build the network's interlocking security circles. Use a code from a friend, family member, or someone you trust. After entering the code and choosing a username, your account is created. From then on, your main task is simple. Open the app once every 24 hours, tap the Mine button. That single tap signals you're still active, and your Pi balance will slowly increase. The app shows your current mining rate. Everyone starts with a base pioneer rate. If the person who invited you is active, you both get a small bonus. The biggest way to increase your rate is inviting people to your earning team. You can also increase your rate by participating in your security circle. Right now, Pi exists within an enclosed mainnet. You cannot withdraw, sell, or trade on external exchanges yet. The journey of Pi Network is best understood as a carefully planned sequence of steps, each one building upon the last. This methodical approach provides proof of progress and helps manage expectations. The project has been unfolding across a multi-phase roadmap. Understanding this timeline is key to grasping the long-term vision. 2019 beta launch, 2020 testnet, 2021 enclosed mainnet, 2025 open mainnet goal. The story begins with Phase 1, Pi Day, March 14, 2019. Beta phase, focused on distributing the Pi currency and growing the community. The mobile app launched, allowing pioneers to start mining Pi and build networks. Phase 2, the testnet, ran in parallel with the live app. Community members could run nodes to help test the consensus algorithm. The Pi wallet launched to test transactions with Test Pi, a token with no real value. This dry run let the team identify bugs and refine the system. On December 28, 2021, the enclosed mainnet launched. The mainnet records mined Pi, but a firewall prevents external connectivity as utility is built. KYC-verified pioneers can migrate to mainnet wallets and transact with verified users. This stage grows ecosystem utility in a real value yet controlled environment. As of November 1, 2025, the community awaits the open mainnet announcement. Once the firewall drops, Pi could connect to other systems and be listed on exchanges for trading. The most pressing question for any pioneer is simple. How can this Pi, mined for free on a phone, actually become valuable? The answer isn't magic. It's rooted in fundamental economic principles. The first and most powerful driver is the network effect. Money is useful only if many people accept it as a medium of exchange. With tens of millions of KYC-verified pioneers, Pi already has a massive user base. If they buy and sell among themselves, they create a self-sustaining internal economy and organic demand. Value emerges where community meets utility. Utility matters. Pi Browser and the SDK enable apps integrating Pi payments, tips, e-commerce, games, and more. Scarcity also plays a role. As the network grows, issuance slows via halving-type mechanics. A finite total supply and allocations create predictable monetary policy. Finally, community belief, GCV, the global consensus value of 314,159 per Pi, an aspirational, unofficial anchor. Actual market price at open mainnet will be set by supply and demand on exchanges. Let's ground this with a simple hypothetical example. For education, not a guarantee. In 2022, Alex downloaded the app, used a friend's code, and tapped daily. After 3 years of consistency and a small team bonus, Alex has 5,000 Pi. For now, just a number on a screen. After open mainnet, the market establishes a price. Conservative case, 1 Pi, 1. Alex's 5,000 Pi, $5,000. Optimistic case, rich utility drives 1 Pi, $100. Alex's becomes $500,000. While Pi's potential is enticing, you must understand the risks. Pi may never reach significant monetary value. Technical hurdles, weak developer interest, or low business adoption could stall progress. Be skeptical. Never pay for Pi, boosts, or special access. Guard your passphrase. KYC is required to migrate. Read the privacy policy and be comfortable with data sharing. Your time has value. Balance learning and inviting with other priorities. Smart checklist. Official app, trusted code, daily tap, small team, keep learning. Build a daily habit and focus on quality teammates you truly know. Study Pi resources, crypto basics, blockchain, and wallets. Keep a simple log of your progress. It motivates and records your effort. Create your Pi wallet. Write down and store your passphrase offline in multiple safe places. Dream big, plan small. Pi is promising but still an experiment. Prioritize completing KYC and migrating to your mainnet wallet. Decide your open mainnet strategy now. Partial sell, majority hold, and spend where it has utility. A tiered approach can balance risk and upside. Write your plan, stick to it, and avoid emotional decisions. Find a trusted referral, download the official app, and press the Mine button. Commit to learning one new thing each week.